If your Milwaukee M12 charger shows no lights or starts flashing red and green, don't panic. Most issues can be found with a step-by-step check. First, make sure the battery is fully seated. Remove it and firmly snap it back into place. Then unplug the charger from the wall, take the battery out, and leave it disconnected for at least 2 minutes to reset the internal circuit. If there's still no response, unplug the charger again and wait a few minutes before inspecting anything further. Inside most M12, chargers are two protective fuses. One protects the AC input and the other protects the DC output. Using a battery-powered multimeter, check each fuse for continuity. If there's no continuity, the fuse is blown and must be replaced with the exact same type and rating. Always match fast blow or slow blow specifications correctly. If the fuses are fine, test voltage. Check the battery's voltage and compare it to normal levels. A deeply discharged battery may not be recognized by the charger. In that case, briefly jump-starting it with a fully charged compatible battery can sometimes raise the voltage enough for detection. Work carefully, chargers contain high voltage components. If you're unsure, seek professional help.